Hi everyone, I'm Farmer Michael here at Jones Family Farms, and today we're going to be showing you how to cut down your perfect Christmas tree. Hopefully you've already watched our video on how best to prepare yourself before coming to the farm, but if not, we'll link it in the video description. You can watch that one before you're ready. So today we'll be cutting down this beautiful blue spruce behind me here. Alright, now that you're all prepared with your tools and you're ready to go, let's get started. Farmer Monica here is going to help me cut down this tree to show you how to do it best. First thing you're going to want to do is to put on your gloves. These are going to be absolutely crucial to protecting your hands, both from a prickly tree like this blue spruce, or also if the saw happens to slip while you're cutting. You always want to make sure you're staying safe. Alright, the next step is going to be getting your tarp ready to go. The tarp is going to be one of the most crucial elements to getting your tree down, not only to keep your clothes dry and clean, but also when you're ready to get the tree out of the field to help you slide it across the ground. So as you can see, Farmer Monica here is going to kneel down on the tarp, getting nice and low to the tree to start cutting. Now this tree happens to be on pretty level ground, but if you did happen to be on a slope, it'd be best to start cutting from the uphill side so that the tree will fall over downhill away from you when it comes down. As you're cutting, you won't need to worry so much about making a perfectly square cut. You can always make adjustments once the tree is down on the ground to clean it up a bit. Now sometimes as you're cutting, you may find that the tree is starting to bind the saw a little bit. This happens when the trunk is pinching down on the blade, making it harder to cut through. An easy remedy for this is to just grab the tree by the trunk and pull or push away from the direction that they're cutting down the tree. This will help open up the trunk for easier cutting. Alright, so now the tree is down. As you can see, we removed some of the lower branches on the tree just to help with our filming process, but now that the tree is down, this is a great opportunity to remove any of those lower branches that may get in the way of putting your tree in its stand once you get it home. There's also a good opportunity to square and clean up that cut if you need to, but ideally that's something that you should do just before you put the tree in the tree stand. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a video later in the series on caring for your Christmas tree. Alright, hopefully that shows you how relatively easy it is to cut down an average size Christmas tree, and hopefully this has given you some better information on our best cutting practices here at the farm. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to get this tree safely out of the field and into your home. Thanks for watching and have a happy holiday.